I'm on the way to the church today. See, I'm here along Airport Road near Immigration, Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi Immigration. I just came down from the bus. I'll ride the bus 23. I'll stop there. I'll go down there. Need to walk going inside the Evangelical Church. Evangelical building. Because our church is there in Evangelical. See? It's windy. It's good. Nice weather, but it's already dark. Only 6 o'clock. It's dark already because it's winter already. That's why. Yeah. At night, the light is good, nice. Different color of lights in the evening. See? My hair is so messy because of it's windy. It's good I was able to came out early from my training because I already how many hours I'm almost finished my 300 hours training. I just duty because I miss tatay and nanay also. That is why I went to duty in my training. See, this is along Airport Road.